guys, final thoughts on the M235i. So, this is an interesting car. It's not a bad performance vehicle. It definitely has high capabilities, but it's not hardcore enough to be really like an M car. And it's too hardcore, it's too aggressive, it's too stiff, the throttle tuning is crazy, and it's not a very good daily driver or comfortable vehicle. So it's kind of this weird in-between where it's not good at the performance and it's not good at the comfort. It's just kind of this weird middle ground. Sound system is okay, not a lot of bass. Otherwise it sounds pretty good though. I think it looks fine. I don't know, it's just, it's strange. You definitely get the BMW look and feel from this car. You definitely feel like you're part of the brand, but then again, this is a front-wheel drive car, and the name is kind of confusing. So I don't really know what to think about this. I think for the price, there are much better cars on the market to get. But if you want a BMW and you don't quite want to sock the money for a 3 Series, yeah, that's kind of where I stand on an M235i. I think if it were just a little bit better tuned to either comfort or performance, it might be a better buy. The 228 honestly might be kind of the way to go if you do want this car. It's probably going to be a little bit more livable, drivable, and as a result, a better overall package. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's been an interesting week in this for sure, and we'll have some more cool stuff for you going forward. Definitely get some more BMWs. I'd like to get into an M2 at some point soon and see what that's like, because I've really only driven that on the track. I will say this is a very cool interior. The ambient lighting in this is pretty badass, and these red seats, they look the business. Pros and cons. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.